Good morning, my dear
Good morning,
students.
sir.
I welcome you all for this today's class, Smart Charts. Have you ever heard about this chapter earlier? Smart Charts.
No, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
When?
Good morning, sir.
When you heard about this chapter?
No, sir. We never heard of this chapter.
Okay.
Today, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you know about tally marks? Tally marks.
No, sir.
Tally marks.
No, sir.
Yes or no?
No. No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
No. Okay.
No, sir.
But there is a topic in third class where you have heard about this chapter, I strongly believe. Bar graphs, pictographs, tally marks. For example, I'm giving example. In our class 4th year and 4th B. In our class 4th year and 4th B.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, which lesson you are telling? Smart chart.
Smart charts, last chapter. Last chapter of our
Okay,
syllabus. Okay. One example I am giving. Okay. In our class, there are almost 40 students, for example. What are the blood groups of all 40 students I want to find? I want to have a list for the record. A positive. Suppose 10 students are there. There are 10 students having A positive blood group. Listen.
Sir, we should write this.
I said listen. I will tell you when you have to write. Don't ask me. Just listen. Just listen. Suppose there are 10 students who are having A positive blood group. So I am supposed to write A positive blood group for how many students? 10 members.
Oh.
Blood group, number of students. Instead of writing this 10, what generally happens is tally mark means students 10 members are there. How I will get 10 members? I will ask the students, how many of having A positive blood group? You will raise your hands. I will count 1 student, 2 students, 3 students. While counting, to avoid the mistake of counting, what I will do is, yes, Akshara, okay. Aditya Pavan, okay. Charan, okay. Soma Vaidigna, okay. Next, one more student. Harshika. So 5 students. 5 counting, we write like this. This is called tally marks. This is a counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then vertical line. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. Vertical line. We do counting in 5 5s. Counting in 5 5s. Now total how many students are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total 10 students are there. Now be positive. I made the counting. I am writing here. You please tell how many are there.
Sir, 8 students, sir. 8 students.
How many students are there?
8 students. 8 students, sir.
8 students are there. Correct. 8 students are there. AB positive.
నేను వెళ్ళిపోతాను బోర్ వేసిన అయ్యపోయినా అయినట్టే
Hey, who is that talking there?
14, sir. 4%. 5. 6 members. 6
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 are there. So, answer is 6. Fine. Mute all of you. No need to talk. Mute all of you, please. Okay. This is how we collect data. Smart chart means the topic is based on the collection of data. We are collecting data. What is the data? Blood groups of the students. I am asking the students, I am doing the counting. Instead of writing the number directly to avoid the mistakes in counting, step by step, I am doing counting and writing here. Now, once this is completed, you can be asked some questions. Which blood group is rarely found in the class? Which blood group is rare in the class?
O positive.
How many students are having less blood group? O positive is only for 6 students.
O positive, sir.
Which is commonly find blood group? Which is more?
Sir, A, sir.
AB positive, 14. 14 is the big number. AB positive.
Yes.
Okay.
AB positive is common, sir.
Yes. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. So when we collect the data, when we write in this is called frequency distribution. We write the topic here. How many students are there? This is called tally marks. This is how we do counting, tally marks counting. Then we will get the number. Okay. Now, I would like to share one PPT that will help you to understand this chapter in an easy way. Just whatever I have taught here, only example I am giving. What actually we are going to learn in this topic, let us go through the PPT.
Right, sir.
I will tell you when you have to write, so don't ask again and again. Just concentrate on the PPT. So smart chart is our next topic. All of you mute yourself. I said all of you mute. Smart charts. Listen, don't talk anything in between. Graphical representation of data or information through the different ways like tally marks, bar graphs, pie charts is known as smart chart. Smart chart means the information we collect, we represent in different ways. This is tally mark. Bar graphs also going to come. All different ways. We collect the data, we represent in the form of a table, that is called smart charts. Tally marks. Tally marks means what I explained just now. Look at this. One example I have given here. The following tally chart shows the number of bicycles in a bike shop sold during a period of last 5 weeks. Use the data to answer the question. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5. 5 weeks are there.
22, sir.
5 weeks are there.
Sir, first answer is 22, sir.
Wait.
First one is 22, sir.
One by one.
3.
Week 1. Week 2.
So second one also is, sir.
Week 4. I said keep quiet, I will ask.
Sir, first is 22, sir.
I said not to talk, I will ask. Why you are shouting? What I said? Keep quiet, I will ask one by one.
Sir, should we write this now?
Who is that fellow? Keep on asking the same question. I said I will tell you when you have to write. Shut your mouth and keep quiet. Don't disturb the class. This is the introduction of the class. Listen, I will share this after the class. I will tell you what to write, when to write. Don't keep on asking the same question. Here, what I explained based on the tally marks. First week, second week, third week, fourth week, fifth week. How many bicycles are sold in the cycle shop, that is given. Tally marks are given. The total you have to do. Now, just answer, don't write. I will share this, you can do at home. First week, count, let me know how many cycles are sold on first week. Sri Samanvita, can you answer?
22.
I said keep quiet. I will ask one by one. Whom I ask, only they have to give the answer. Don't shout, all of you. Sri Samanvita, can you answer first week? How many cycles are sold? Sri Samanvita, are you there or not? Sri Samanvita. Chandrakiran. Chandrakiran.
Sir,
First week, how many cycles are sold?
2.
2 cycles. Stop playing. Chandrakiran, stop playing. First week, how many cycles are sold? Chandrakiran.
7, sir.
Mr.
2,
Chandrakiran. Huh?
2.
2 cycles. What is
Sir,
that answer? You have to go for tally marks, count and give the answer. How can I say 2 cycles?
Sir,
Aditya Pavan.
16. Yes, sir. 16.
Aditya Pavan, can you answer the first one?
Yes, sir. 22, sir.
22. First week, how many cycles are sold? 22.
22 cycles, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is called 5 counting. 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, and 2 lines, 22 cycles.
Yes, sir.
This is how to do the counting.
Yes, sir. That is 29, sir.
What is that?
The second one. Sir, second one. Sir, second.
Dear students, I said stop talking, answer only when I ask. Who said 29? I will remove from the class. I said keep quiet, I will ask one by one. Why you all are shouting? Better I mute all of you. That is the best thing. When the class is going on, you should maintain silence. How can you disturb the class? I said clearly, don't talk in between. When I ask only, you have to give the answer. In spite of that, you people are shouting and giving the answers. Can't you understand my language? What I said, keep quiet. Don't tell. I will ask one by one. You all are shouting in the class. This is a class, not a fish market. Will all shouts and can't understand anything. This is a problem with you students. I have told you many times. You have to mute yourself. No, you are keep on talking. Your parents are talking. You are giving answers randomly. Now the whole class, shut your mouth. You have no right to talk. The whole class, you have to keep quiet now. Who is that idiot doing painting in the class? Week 1, every 5 lines. Hey, who is that doing painting in my class? Second week, in a tally mark, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a combination of 5. Set of 5 counting. In the week 2, if you observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets. 5 5s are 25 and 4, 29. I am not giving chance to you to talk in my class. You all are in mute, so you can't talk. Because it is your mistake. You are shouting, disturbing my class. Week 3, 5, 5, 10, 15, then 16. Week 4, 15. Week 5, 20. So this is the counting done based on the tally marks given. Now, with the help of this counting, you have to answer the questions. How many bicycles were sold in second week? In second week, how many bicycles are sold? So first question answer is 29. 29 cycles are sold in the first week, second week. How many bicycles are sold in the last week? Last week, 20 are sold. So 20 cycles. Next, how many bicycles were sold in the first and third week? Together is asking. First and third week. First week 22, third week 16. That will be 38. That will be 38. Next, how many bicycles were sold in the 5 weeks together? All 5 weeks together. Means you have to add all these and get the number. Add this. 11, 17, 23, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 103. Total 103 cycles were sold. I am going to share this PPT. This don't have answers. These are the answers. Those who want, they can copy the answers. Otherwise, you can try on your own. Questions are there. Answers I am writing on the board. Total number of cycles per week. List is here. These are the answers for the questions. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, fifth question. I thought to ask one by one so that you can interact, but you people are shouting and made my class messy. That's why you all are in mute today. The whole day you will be in mute. If you repeat the same, all my classes you will be in mute. You should have minimum common sense not to disturb the class, not to shout in between the class. I said I will ask one by one. Still I am in the first question. Some student is shouting second question answer. Who told you to give the answer? Now, fifth question. The price of a bicycle is $550. Calculate how much money the bike shop made on the bicycles and complete the table. There is one table given how much money he is going to earn by selling the cycles. One cycle cost is $550. Week 1. Week 1, how much money he is going to earn? 22 cycles are sold. Each cycle cost 550. So 550 into 22 to be done. Week 1. Similarly, week 2. Week 2, 29 cycles were sold. So week 2, 29 cycles, 550 each cycle cost. Week 3, 16 cycles, each cycle cost 550. You need to multiply this. We have learned the multiplications in Jung's LR chapter. How to multiply this you have learned. So you have to do this. I am giving this activity to you only as a homework. So these are the answers for the first 4 questions. Fifth question I am leaving to you. Every week you have to count how much he earned from the selling of cycles. 22 cycles sold, each cycle 550. So 22 into 550, you have to multiply. You know the multiplication, 550 into 22. First multiply with 2. 2 0, 2 5 are 10, 2 5 are 10, 11. Then leave this. Again with the 2, 2 0, 2 5 are 10, 11. 0 0 1 2 1. So $12,100. Week 1. Similarly, week 2, week 3, week 4, add everything. Week 5, already he gave the answer. You have to take the help of that answer. These are the answers to the questions. I repeat once again, I am going to share the PPT which has only questions, not the answers. Answers are here. If you want, you can copy the answers and you can write afterwards in the notebook. These are the answers. If you want, you can copy this. It's a very easy chapter. smart chapter is very easy, and scoring also, where you can score full marks. Many students' cameras are off. Yeah. One small interesting question is there in the next one. Second question. You have to do this as activity, or some vegetables are mentioned there. How many are there? Number you have to give. Tally mark and number. In the diagram, how many cabbages are there? You know the cabbage that will be green in color. Okay, I think you know this, no need to tell. How many cabbages are there? Count carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I am not wrong, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cabbages. 5 cabbages are there. Tomato. How many tomatoes are there? How many tomatoes? Count carefully. First row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 tomatoes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cabbages are there. Bell pepper. You have seen pepper, no? That is in yellow color, like capsicum. It is otherwise
Sir, there are
called,
7, sir.
it is called as capsicum also.
7. Sir, 7, sir, there are.
7, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, 7 are there.
Yes, sir, 7, sir.
Sir, 7, sir.
7 bell peppers are there. 7, sir. Sir, onion, 1, 2, 3.
7, sir. Sir, bell pepper and onion are the same, I think, sir. 7, 7, sir. Sir, 7, sir.
7.
The last two ones are 7, sir.
The last is 7.
I said not to talk in my class. Why you are shouting? Why you are discussing? Why you are talking in my class? I said you lost the right to talk in my class. I warned you. I warned you not to talk in my class.
Okay.
Shut your mouth and keep quiet. If at all I want to ask, I will ask the person, only that student should give the answer. If you all started shouting, I said I will remove all from my class. Because of that, I muted you all. Still you are not changed. You keep on shouting. Still somebody is, see, Sri Charan, Saifullah, you all are, you're supposed to mute. Why you all are talking? If I found any student talk in my class, I will remove from the class. You lost the right to talk in my class. This is the class. You are making mess here. You have lost the right to answer in my class. Bell pepper, this is like capsicum, yellow color capsicum. Count how many capsicums are there. Count carefully and we have to give the answer. How many are there? The picture is very clear. Started, you have to start counting 1, 2, 3 like this. Whenever you get 5, 5 means it is a combination. In tally marks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every 5. Set of 5, 5, 5, we make a group. So 5 means it is a group. Next to 5 a group. Next to 5 a group. Then count and give the answer that we have to do. Keep quiet. Let me count how many bell pepper are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Instead of writing all 7, one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are there. So this is how we do counting. This is how we do counting in the tally marks. Instead of writing the direct answer, first we write the tally marks, then we go for the counting. Now the rest are onions. Onions shown here in the brown color. The symbol or the color is already mentioned. Based on that, you have to count how many onions are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again 7 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again 7 are there. This is how we are doing tally marks. Whenever some information is given, expressing the information in the form of a table, this comes under smart chart. The beginning is tally marks. It is very easy. Concentrate and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whenever 5 comes, that is a group. 5 is a group. Count carefully and give the answer. Now, the total, of course, it is not asked. Let me see the complete question. Yes, it is not asked. Only the tally marks is asking. For your satisfaction, if you want, you can count everything and count the total vegetables. The number should match if you are right. Okay, this is how we give the tally marks. Tally marks is the easiest thing. The introduction of the smart chart is about tally marks. As I said, I am going to share this PowerPoint presentation to you, but answers are not there. So those who want, they can copy the answer. I am giving 2 minutes time, not more than that. Just 5, 6, 7, 7 lines and answers. If this is done, we go to the next model. First model is tally marks. Copy this. This you can do on your own also. Those not able to do own, if they want answers, they can copy the answers. Next, pictograph. Pictograph means we represent the numbers. We represent the numbers with pictures. How to represent the number with pictures? Look at this. The drama chart is mentioned here. The drama chart. See, actual information was not given to you, but one picture is shown here. If you read the picture, you can understand what actually want to represent here. There is a drama chart. In a school, one drama is going to be played up for a particular occasion. Children's Day, Republic Day, something. Students are divided into different categories. How many students are going to do acting in the drama? How many students are going to the market, collect the fancy dresses? How many students are going to play the music? How many people are going to do the setups, means settings? That information is shown in the form of a graph. How many are going to play? How many are going to do the acting? How many are going to do the acting?
3 members, sir.
No,
9, sir.
no, that is not
9,
the answer.
Sir.
Yes, keep
9,
quiet,
sir,
keep
9.
quiet, keep quiet, keep quiet. One
Sir, 9
one after the other, you have to talk. If I see all shouting, I said I will leave the class. 1, 2, 3 triangles are there. Every triangle indicates student. But in the top, it is given. One triangle means 3 students. One triangle means 3 students. 3 students, 3 students, 3 students. Total 9. 9 students are going to do acting in the drama. See, it is not given in the form of a sentence. It is not given there is a drama going to be happen. 9 members are doing acting. It is not given. No information is given. Only a picture is given. Just from the picture, you are getting the information. That is the pictograph. Similarly, how many are going to collect the dresses for the drama? 2 triangles. Each triangle is 3, 3. So the answer will be 6. How many are going to play music for the drama? How many triangles are there? Just you have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each triangle indicates, of course, no need to write 3 like this. It should be in your mind. 3, 3, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 12. 12 students. How many are going to do the setting? 3 and 3, 6. Better you write the answer on the top so that it is easy to answer the questions. Now followed by this pictograph, there are some questions. How many are participating in acting? How many are participating in acting? The answer is 9. How many are playing music? Music is the third one. This is dresses. This is sets. Music 1, 2, 3, 4. 12 is the answer. How many are involved in making the sets? How many are helping doing settings, table, chairs, all this? So 6 is the answer. Okay. This question you can do afterwards after the class, but answers will not be there. These are the answers. So if you want, you can write the answer. First question 9. Second question 12. Third question 6.
Sir, they have only 3 questions.
Let me check. Yeah, only 3. Only 3 are there.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
While copying in the notebook, you can do this with pencil. You can draw your own chart. No need to take the printout or paste. You can do it normally. It is a very interesting chapter, very easy also. Instead of the sentences, instead of a story or para, pictures will be there here, which is very easy to understand. No need to tell everything in the form of sentences. One picture will be there. Read the picture, get the information. That is called smart charts, smart work. In a drama, what is happening, how many involved, everything we no need to tell in sentences. Just draw a picture that will give the whole information. But you have to see each triangle is 3 students. That is more important. That is more important. It is not that one triangle means one person. No, because 9 students means 9 triangles drawing very difficult. 12 triangles very difficult. That's why they will give a bulk number 3 or 4 like that. Now, the following table shows daily production of chocolates in a factory for 7 days of a week. Represent this information through a pictograph. One whole chocolate is 100 chocolates. If you want to show half chocolates, 50 chocolates, show it as half. I will help you in the answer of this question. Chocolate. This is chocolate. Okay. This much drawing I can do. One chocolate indicates 100. Yeah, what is the doubt?
Sir,
Yes. What is the doubt?
no, sir.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. These are the days. This is number of chocolates.
North.
Who is talking there? Chandrakiran, mute yourself first. Yeah. You tell me, answer to me, but don't shout. Monday, 300 chocolates means how many pictures I have to draw here?
3, sir.
One chocolate means one picture means 100 chocolates. So here I have to yes. 3 chocolate pictures indicates each 100, so 300. Tuesday, how many?
4, sir. 4, sir. 4.
4, sir.
Tuesday, 4. Wednesday,
Half, sir.
Half.
50.
Half.
50. He says 50. So half chocolate. Half chocolate means 50.
Yes, sir.
Half chocolate. Thursday, 150. 150 means
1 half, sir.
Chocolate
One
and
half.
1 half chocolate.
1 chocolate. 1 half, sir.
one chocolate and half
Whole
chocolate.
chocolate and 1 half chocolate.
Okay. Can you do the remaining?
1 half chocolate.
Sir.
Yes.
Yes.
1 and half chocolate. Okay. You please try to complete the remaining. Not now. Afterwards also you can do it. Friday. Friday means 300.
So 3 chocolates, sir.
Yes. Friday means 3 chocolates.
And Saturday is 350.
Sir, Saturday
Saturday,
3 chocolate
3
off.
1,
3
2,
chocolates.
3, Half.
3 full chocolate, half.
One of sir.
Sunday, 2 chocolates.
Sunday, 2 chocolates.
2 chocolates. Okay. Like this, you have to give the answer. As I said, answers are I'm not sending, I'm sending only questions. Answers you have to do. This is a easy chapter. No need to write any story, just pictures only. That's why I'm not giving the answers. If you had to write the steps working, then I would have sent. But it is only simple pictures. Like this, you have to draw a picture. Chocolate, you can draw any shape. I have drawn one shape, whatever I know. If you want, you can draw a full circle, half circle. Choice is yours. You can take one chocolate like this. This is one chocolate, 100 chocolates. This is half, 50 chocolates. You can take a circle. You can take a oval. Any symbol you can take. Any symbol you can take. Okay. Bar graph or column chart. This is the simplest way of representing the data, displaying rectangular bars. For example, this. It is almost like pictograph.
Wow.
See. How many people like apple? How many people like banana? Pineapple and kiwi. Bar graph. We draw lines. We draw bars like this. We draw bars. Now, noise is coming in the background. Now, how many people like apple? Can you tell? Each red color box indicates 2 students. So, how many red color rectangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are there?
So 6 is equal to 12.
12. 12. How many yellow boxes are there?
Sir, 16.
8, sir.
8 means 16.
16, sir.
16.
16. 16 students like banana. How many like pineapple?
10, sir.
5 into 10.
10 students like. Each box indicates. Kiwi. How many like kiwi?
14,
14,
14,
sir. 14, sir. 14, sir. Okay, sir.
14. This is called bar graph. Bar graph means you will have the different category, the number associated with the category. The number belongs to the category will be shown in the form of a bar. On the top, you can write. Writing on the top is not compulsory.
Time is up.
If you write on the top, easily you will get the answer so that you can answer the 4 questions there. How many kids like pineapple, banana, kiwi, apple? Easily you can answer when you have bar graph with you. So this is about the bar graph. One more is there, pie chart. Just 1 minute I will take. I will complete this. Pie chart means circle. Pie chart also called as chapati chart. Pie chart is also called as chapati chart. See, this is a circle. Okay. Pie chart. This is pie chart. Called as chapati chart.
Okay.
How many people like milkshake is this? How many people like ice cream? How many people like juice? How many of you like ice creams? How many of people like milkshake, juice? Out of these three, which you like most? Answer to me.
Sir, ice cream, sir.
Ice cream.
Me too.
Ice
Sir, I like the most is milk.
Me too. I too like
No,
ice creams a lot. I too like ice creams a lot. Okay. So I am also in your company. Now, if you look at this, coming to the topic, if you look at this, total, how many, for example, there are 100 students. Example I am giving. Suppose 100 students are there. How many like milkshake? By looking at the diagram, can you guess the number?
50 members, sir.
Exactly half of the circle. Listen.
Okay, sir.
Okay, listen. Exactly half of the circle means half of the circle. Half of the circle means half of the 100. That is 50. How many like ice cream? This is complete.
25 to
Listen.
25.
Listen. Don't answer. Complete circle. This is half. This is other half. Half and half. In other half, again half is ice cream. So half means 1/4. You have seen in fractions. 1/4. So 1/4 people like ice cream. 1/4 people like juice. Of course, half of 50, 25, 25. Just 25 is the number I'm taking, just a number. If you look at the questions, how many like ice cream? 1/3, 1/4, 3/4. What is the answer?
Sir, 1/3, sir.
1/4. 1/4.
Sir,
How many like milkshake? Milkshake, how many like?
Sir, 50.
Half will take milkshake. Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes.
Time over, sir.
Hey, if time over, get lost. If time over, you get lost, man. Yeah, what is the doubt now?
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yes.
In the chapati chart,
Yes.
there are only 3 parts of the circle, no, sir.
Yes.
Then it has to be in 1/3, no, sir.
No. 1/3. See, 1/3 means they are not equal. If all are equal, then 1/3. But all are not equal. This is big one.
Okay.
If you have like this, 1, 2, 3 equal shapes. If you have equal shapes, that is okay. See, if it is like this, off and off. This off is made 2 parts, means 1/4, 1/4. If all 3 reasons are equal, then 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. But this is more. Milkshake is more. They are not equally divided. This is half, this is 1/4. 1/3 is not at all there. If it is made equal, for example, this is a rectangle. 3 equal parts. Then each part is 1/3. Equal. Now, I have 3 parts, but each is not 1/3. This is half. This is 1/4. This is 1/4. So 1/3 is not the answer. Okay. I will share this PowerPoint presentation, this PDF, because I have explained only answers. Questions I have not told you to write. You have to copy this, write and complete this. Along with this, one easy worksheet also I will try to share. So that you can copy it. This is a very easy chapter. We have only this much information in this topic. In next class, we will try to complete the chapter. That is the end of our syllabus. Then we can start the revision for the coming examination. Okay. I will share this. Please try to copy and send as early as possible. Okay, that's all for today's class. If any doubts, you can message me